The cheapest EV conversion kit on the market today is around $25,000. Most of them go up to 40 to 50 grand just for the parts. This is crazy, but let's look at what the companies are trying to sell you. They're mostly obsessed with 0 to 60 times, luxury experiences, high voltage computerized tech. They're trying to turn classic cars into rolling luxury laptop sexy machines. But what if you don't need a 300-mile range racing machine? What if you just need to get to work 15 miles away at 55 miles an hour without paying $5 a gallon for gas? Well, you don't need a $20,000 luxury setup for that. You just need proven, heavy duty industrial technology. By utilizing rugged, air cooled industrial DC motors, a simple heavy duty controller, and a safe, modular, low voltage battery setup, we're trying to engineer a blueprint to convert standard manual transmission vehicles for under $10,000. The corporate EV market wants you to believe that electricity is a luxury, but we're here to prove that it's just basic, affordable utility. So please zap that like button, wire in the follow button, and let's crank up the amperage in the comments. Tell me if you think a Chevy Blazer is the wrong platform to start with, and if you've got something better in mind. What would be a great little SUV that's got a manual transmission?